Hi, you guys. Welcome to my WordPress website. This is just my homepage. I wanted people to know who I was right up front, so this is just a picture of me, just a professional picture that I got done. Um, I have three different, menus that I really focused on. My first one is my blog menu. And this is just where I get to write about whatever I want. I don't have to, it's not for a school assignment, it's not for anything, just kind of what's on my mind. So I have my blog and obviously my information and kind of some stuff about me on the side. My next menu item that I have is my published articles. And what I mean by published is I just wrote for the BYUI Scroll, and this is these are just some that I had published. I would like to include which ones that I had front page. I actually have a couple on here that made front page, so I think if I change anything different about this, I would include that and maybe have the picture as well. But anyway, this is what the article was called right here, and if you just click on it, it'll take you straight to BYUI Scroll, and then you can read my articles that I have written, which I thought was really cool. The next menu that I really like is my personal work. I only have two on here, but they're both narratives, and these are two that I'm super, super proud of. But some of my favorite stories that I've covered. Um, so yeah, my main purpose of my website obviously is I want to go into freelance writing. So mostly just writing. Actually 100% just writing. Um, So that's the main purpose. What I learned most is I'm trying to become more organized, and I feel like with all the menu options up here, I can really be organized with my writing. I also am working on a podcast right now for my senior project, so I am going to include another menu that has my podcast in there as well. But I think that's what I learned, is that I can be super organized with my work, which is really helpful. And I think the thing that was most difficult for me was just making sure I hit publish after every single step of the tutorials. Sometimes I thought I did what was asked, and then I'd go to my website and it wasn't showing up, and then I would start freaking out, and I just needed to hit publish. But the tutorials were super, super helpful, and I'm pretty impressed with what I've done in just the short amount of time. So anyway, that is my website.